Hi, so we've completed alkanes reactions. So alkanes will undergo two types of reaction: combustion, complete and incomplete, and free radical substitution in UV light. So these are the two reactions of alkanes. We're going to see the reactions of alkenes. So for alkenes, we have combustion, addition reaction, and polymerization. So we're going to see these three reactions. Now, alkenes are generally more reactive than alkanes because the double bond is going to be acting as a site of reactivity, and that pi bond is relatively easily broken, and this is where addition reaction takes place, and that pi bond is a region of negative charge. So the first reaction that will look like is combustion. So alkenes will produce carbon dioxide and water when it undergoes complete combustion. Whenever you're balancing such equations, always balance the carbon first, and then you balance the hydrogen, and the last one that you balance is the oxygen here. So 2 carbons and then 2 water, and then you have 6 oxygen, so that's 3 here. So although the combustion of alkenes is exothermic, they are not used as fuel because they have greater tendency of going through incomplete combustion. So you need more oxygen to burn alkenes, and also alkenes are very important starting materials for the manufacture of other organic compounds. Alkenes are used to make polymers and other addition products. So you have a question here. So calculate the percentage of carbon in ethane and ethene. So for this, you will need to find the MR of ethane first. So MR of ethane, you find this. Then you find the MR of ethene. Then the percentage carbon in ethane is going to be, so you have 2 carbons here. So 2 times 12, 2 times the AR of carbon, 2 times 12 divided by the MR of ethane times 100. And the same thing for the percentage carbon in ethene. So it's the number of carbons, 2, times the AR of carbon, 12, divided by the MR of the compound. So this is how you find percentage of any element in any compound. Okay, so you can calculate this and then check your answers. Pause the video, calculate, and then check. So you can see that the percentage carbon in ethane is less than the percentage carbon in ethene. So what does that mean? This means that because it has a high percentage of carbon, means that the alkene will have greater tendency towards incomplete combustion. So the alkenes will burn with a smokier flame compared to its corresponding alkane. So butene will burn in a smokier flame compared to butane, for example. So this is what is written here. So alkenes have greater tendency towards incomplete combustion and burn with a smokier flame compared to the corresponding alkanes due to higher carbon content. So there's more carbon in alkenes, more carbon percentage in alkenes.